Friends, my Scentflirt just arrived, and I unboxed it live for my Facebook group, but I figured I would add it here to my next Happy Mail unboxing, or it may be a video on its own. I don't know yet. Editing Holly will know. Future Holly will know. But current Holly does not. So let's take a look what was in my Scentflirt for the month of July. And I'm not gonna lie, I was super excited because it is all based on Air Care Plus. It is a new fragrance of Air Care Plus, and it is Cedar and Cypress. So here's what we got. We got a bag of Cedar and Cypress Air Care Plus. And what's great about this is not only is it odor neutralizing, awesome, but then it has like a nice light fragrance to it as well. So white cedar, fresh striped cypress, and warm amber. And while you can't smell it, I'm still putting the whiff window by you. I just love it. It's not like a Christmas tree by any means, because sometimes, you know, cedar and greenery kind of gives you that. It's just such a nice smell. And there's a fly up here with me, which I'm glad it's up here with me and not with Sharpie, because Sharpie is terrified of flies. So we got it in sprinkles. We got it in the the diffusing oil. This you can use on a lot of things, including the thing they sent me. Are you ready? Pink zebra dryer balls. So add this to the dryer balls, and guess what my clothes are all gonna smell like? Cedar and Cypress Air Care Plus. Yeah, they are. And they came in this cute little baggie, and it has instructions about how to use it, all that fun stuff. I don't know, do any of you use dryer balls for, you know, all of the static stuff? And then this is what this little guy is for. He's the addition, but fabric mist, kind of like a fabric refresher type deal in the Cedar and Cypress Air Care Plus. Super duper awesome. I'll try and lay that one down so you can see it. I don't like laying the diffusing oil down. And then you always get a sample of what the next month's Paisley's pick is, and it is Farmhouse Flannel. It has some apple, it has some like very fall tones to it. It's really nice. I'm excited to mix this with, I have an old, like they had one of their garage sales, Pink Zebra garage sales, and I was able to get a bottle of apple vetiver, which is one of the best. I'm so sad they don't have it, although this is being filmed before they release all the new fragrances, so maybe apple vetiver will be there. I don't know. I'll let you know. Editing Holly will let you know, but I'm excited to mix that. So yeah, that is my loot from Pink Zebra. How cool is that? So I just got my order from Simply Sweetly Crafty, and this is the first time I have ordered from her shop. And the sticker on the back of the package, first of all, the package itself is so cute, but the sticker on the back, thanks for supporting our mommy shop, is so adorable. Adorable. All right, let's take a look. I did already sneak a peek because I couldn't help myself. All right, so this was part of, there was a planner sale. I can't remember which one, but it was 40% off. I'm not a PR girl for Simply Sweetly Crafty. I just had the urge. So let's go ahead and start with, I'm going to start with the kit. So I got this for Christmas time because it's National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, and I just thought it was so funny. So yes, love it. So there's a couple different ways she sells her kits. I got 2 sheets that have like the decorative boxes and the functional boxes here. And then I got another sheet, so you can buy them all together, or you can like a la carte them. That's what I want to say. You can a la carte them. That's it. Where it has this week and like a list, work hours, it has your days of the week, bills due, days. I love this little square, like just has all of the good icons on it. Weekend, a little bit of sticker washi. That's gonna be like a perfect right before Christmas kit. Just saying. So there's that. Then I've been really wanting to mess around with icons. in my planner. So I'm going to end up putting these in like some sort of pocket that I can keep in my planner to add. So this is the sick days one, and I just want this to track when I'm sick, those kind of things. It's just for tracking. Date night. You might see me use this one in a plan with me. Aren't they cute? Can you see them? Do I need to zoom in just a little bit? Maybe. There we go. They're so cute, little date night. This is meetings, and I was going to use these for my Zoom meetings that I have for my professional group. Game night. I feel like I can use this for whether it's board games or video games. These little game night icons are super cute. And then reading stickers, because I do want to make like reading a priority, especially going back into the school year. And then, oh, I forgot I have one more. How cute is she? For my cleaning checklists. I love it. She's so cute. I'll never have hair that long enough to put it in a bun like that, ever. No. And then these were the freebies that came along with it. This was a her store freebie. I love the Everything is Fine. Rainbow Bright speaks to me. Napping. Nope, not today. Weekend. Coffee. Hamburger. There's a Steamboat Willie. And Happy Meal. Love it. And then this, I think, was the freebie. It was a birthday sale, but it wasn't her birthday. It was whatever group. I want to say it was the PGU. I'll try and look back and see, but that's that one. And then some little Halloween like washi, sticker washi. How cute is that? So I hope you enjoyed my happy haul. Check out a Simply Sweetly Crafty, as well as check out Scentflirt, because this month, for the month of August, Scentflirt is giving back to single moms to help buy school supplies. So every new Scentflirt subscriber gives $10 to helping single moms get school supplies for back to school. I'll catch you all in the next one.